Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called What They're Not Telling You About the Collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help spread the word about the show. Now, let's get started. Everyone has heard about the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank. Today, we're going to tell you what they're not telling you. Silicon Valley Bank, or SVB, was the 16th largest bank in the US. Here's a preliminary list of just some of the companies that have lost money with SVB as of now. Roku, Circle, Roblox, BlockFi, Compass Coffee, Axum Therapeutics, Rocket Lab USA, Etsy, Camp, Slumberkins. We expect this list to grow much longer over the coming weeks, unless, of course, another bank steps in and makes an effort to buy everything, the assets and the liabilities. First of all, people need to know that the FDIC only covers $250,000 of your cash deposits. If your account held equities, debt, or was created for some other non-cash purchase, then none of that will be covered by the FDIC. It's all gone. You're out of luck. Do you have a retirement savings account somewhere? Then good luck with that. Do you have a stock market account? Well, investment products that are not deposits, such as mutual funds, annuities, IRAs, life insurance, stocks, and bonds, none of those are covered by FDIC deposit insurance. That means that you could lose all of that if or when this contagion spreads to other institutions. Now, what about the problem spreading to all the companies listed above and those who have not yet reported publicly that they were hit by SVB? A number of those companies have stopped making payments to their customers, vendors, contractors, merchants, depositors, etc. When those people stop receiving their money, it can harm them financially so badly that they in turn lose the ability to make their mortgage payments, rent, or their payroll payments. And this is how a contagion begins to spread. Merchants are now realizing that Etsy, the craft selling company, has stopped making payments to their merchants. A lot of those merchants depend on the money they make from selling crafts on Etsy for those primary sources of income. It's the only way some of these people have to make money. Now, Etsy says that they're working with other payment processors to get these people their money, but who knows how long that will take to set up. Now, who is going to benefit from all of this? Well, eventually the government will sell what's left of SVB to another bank or financial institution, and that potential buyer or buyers will all be salivating to get their hands on the remaining assets of the bank. They will no doubt obtain those assets for pennies of the dollar. Who knows? It depends what kind of deal the government structures. It will be a windfall for them. Now, some account holders or companies had maybe 5 or 6% of their money in SVB, while others may have had 80 or 90 or 100% of their money in that bank. If that's the case, then their ability to continue operating their company or to stay solvent if they're an individual will be very challenging. Here's another issue. In order for banks or financial institutions or individuals to do business with one another, they must trust each other. Ask yourself this: how much do banking institutions trust each other now after the collapse of SVB? Do they trust each other more or less? What do you think? Ask yourself another question. Why isn't the government stepping in to help all the SVB depositors who won't get their money back from the FDIC? Well, one possible reason that the government won't provide additional assistance is because maybe they believe this is just going to be too difficult to stop once it spreads. The government may fear that the coming contagion spread of SVB may be so severe that there's no point in saving individual or corporate accounts because they may cause everyone else down the road to request that same assistance. This event is also causing clients to move their money to larger, more stable banks. Here's another bit of news for you. SVB has posted a job for a financial crimes senior manager on their website. So the question becomes, at what point do you think SVB knew that there was a problem significant enough to hire someone for a financial crimes management position. Was the bank concerned about internal crimes being committed, or were they concerned about external crimes being committed against the bank? Also, why did the regulators wait so long to take action to close the bank if so many insiders knew it was collapsing and started withdrawing massive amounts of funds in the days before it closed? Here's something else not being discussed. Was everyone's account frozen at the same time and at the same level, or were some inside preferential large account holders given special treatment in any way before the meltdown? Were they given advance warning? Who knows? That's something we'll probably hear more about soon. Or maybe not. You never know about these things. By the way, this just in. We're now hearing from sources that the Fed and regulators are seriously considering selling SVB and its assets and its liabilities to another bigger bank to stop the panic and contagion before the market opens. Hopefully this means that everyone's losses will be covered by the new bank. We'll have to see what they do. Let's hope everyone gets protected and receives their money back. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's shows on all your social media to help spread the word. Thank you, and we shall talk to you soon. Bye-bye.